Betway Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Sam, o reng abuti?
Ai nna re bola ke coachara monna eso. Ya coachara rena ke yona re bola ya. Coachara rena uncha alende le Thembazwane once. Awa. Salwa bona ka ntwane.
Game ya drop.
Game bola spirit. That player. Uncha midfield.
Same time.
Juan Mar. Look what you bolela. What
I support the Chiefs Katosa.
I support the Chiefs in Paris. What's the Paris? Pirates.
So we are going league result ya isho ringa rig kali.
Our league is on Mumbo. Yeah, it's on Mumbo. League number
3 points.
Come in and just 3 points. Come in and just 3 points. Result number 3 points.
No, kale bakasanda wana man of the match man.
Man of the match wa ga botse eno ba re ba mo file red card ke Jaden Adams.
Thank you.
Yeah, ke Adams. Eno ba re wa ga se mo fe man of the match ka o dutile ka red card. Mara man of the match wa ga
ayi ubo ba betse ke dumela.
a ora lokile Adams.
No, kale bakasanda wana.
Thank you.
We talk football SA Excalibur. Each other.